Listen up, what's the time? Said today I wanna speak my mind. Hey everyone, I really want to show you this version of Listen Up that Noel Gallagher does. It's the Teenage Cancer Trust version and it is so beautiful. Now I've got a capo on the 2nd fret, typical Noel, E minor 7, over to G, D sus2, C add 9, and I'm just chugging that rhythm. Said today Now that keeps going until you get to this beautiful part. One fine day. How nice is that? Gonna leave you all behind. Now that move. One fine day. Gonna leave you all behind. So that is an E minor to a chord what we call an E minor major 7. So you got your E minor. That finger comes away, but then that first finger is going to go there. If you play your E minor that way, then you'll switch to that, but then you can go to G and to A7. For me, I go like so. One fine day, I'm gonna leave you all to A7 behind. Then to A minor 7, it wouldn't be so bad. Then a C and then to a D. One fine Now let me talk you through the chorus. Sailing down the river alone, I'm trying to find my way back home, but I don't believe in magic. Life is automatic, but I don't mind being on my own. Goes again. I mean, how bloody beautiful is that? Right, let's piece it together. Listen up, what's the time? Set